Welcome to the World United.
Welcome to the World United.
Welcome to the World United. Today, we are going to know some insights about the need of, we are going to know the need of awakening this unity consciousness. Unity within is what is called spirituality. Most of the human beings are, most of the beings who are yet to be evolved, these people are called premature beings, not immature, premature, on the way to maturity. Maturity is called as awakening from spiritual dimension. The consciousness is much pocketed. The consciousness is much sectarian. The consciousness is much segmentalized. Most of the people are living in a small psychological domain. Within one's personal world, their consciousness is much tethered. Their consciousness is much drained by various aspects and needs of social reality. The responsibilities this social reality demands, the relationships, money, works, different types of gravitational forces, psycho-emotional, they drain the human consciousness into several bits and pieces. A person in one of the incarnations wakes up and understands that these bits and pieces of consciousness working in different ways, different directions, different degrees, need to be coalesced, need to be adhered, need to be conglomerated, need to be converged into one. That is what is called yoga, which means union. Yuj means union. Union of what? All the bits and pieces of consciousness within has to be unified. The consciousness works majorly into two forms. One is thoughts. In the form of thoughts, it works. The second is in the form of feelings. These two work in different directions most often. When these two are joined, when these two are united, when the head and the heart are united, when everything that is which is scattered is united, like a convex lens which collects the sun energy and burns the paper or whatever object that is kept, it burns inside. The burns ignorance. This collective consciousness works like convex lens. It burns away the ignorance and makes a person unified whole. This unity consciousness starts from within first. You cannot awaken anyone. You can awaken a person from sleep. From sleep consciousness to wakeful consciousness, you can bring by a simple pat on the shoulder. How can the wakeful consciousness or sleep consciousness can be awakened to spiritual consciousness? It cannot be possible with the pat of the hand. It is not possible. It needs a paradigm shift. It needs something called a sadhana. It needs a commitment for evolution of consciousness at an individual level. When many such individuals are awakened, each awakened individual is a bit and piece of the whole from cosmic vision. As the different activities, different thoughts, different beliefs, Different feelings are working in oneself in several directions. And the coalition of all these things into one, turns into inner awakening. And when one person is awakened and several persons are really awakened, from a cosmic vision, each individual is considered as one bit of consciousness for a cosmos, a known cosmos. Because cosmos is infinite, what is known is only one individual unit of consciousness in the form of an individual. And where several individuals get coalesced, the real unity consciousness of the entire world for this earth plane will manifest. So unity consciousness begins within oneself first. And from the point of aerial view of a cosmic vision, when several such individuals get united, when they get converged, for the common goal of awakening the whole, a miracle happens. And the experiment of this miracle is brought through the World United, a foundation which has initiated the World Parliament on Spirituality. There are many such events in the world: spiritual conferences, spiritual symposiums, workshops, talks, discourses related to ancient spiritual wisdom, new age technology, the quantum physics, the astrophysics, so many dimensions of spirituality. All these things are put together in the format of one capsule called as the World Parliament on Spirituality. Like the Parliament of India, the representatives or the leaders of the country come into one room called as World Indian Parliament. The spiritual leaders of the world are invited to be in this parliament in one single room, a psycho-emotional room, not a physical room, boundaried by walls, a psycho-emotional room for convergence of collective consciousness. This parliament was initiated for the first time in 2012 as a physical event in the city of Hyderabad, India. And then we decided to conduct it every 4 years. The second one followed in 2016. It happened in Utah, USA. And the third one is at present getting manifested, not as a single physical event, but as 6 events, each event for one continent. We have first event to begin on 5th of October with Australia, followed by Europe, and 26 to 30 October, followed by South America from 5th to 9th November, and 9th to 13th November in North America, 9 to 13 December in Africa, and ends with Asia between 19th to 23rd December. So we have 6 events for 6 continents. Because of the size of population, 7.5 billion population, we thought one event may not be enough. We thought of doing several continents as 6 events so that many spiritual leaders can come forward and talk about this unity consciousness. The one aim and vision of this World Parliament on Spirituality, the 3rd edition, is awakening this unconditional unity consciousness across the world. And 1,000 speakers are invited. These 1,000 speakers, with the collective consciousness, 1,000 speakers, 1,000 spiritual leaders, we are going forward into 2021. We are going to do nation-wise events, 200 events for 200 nations. And for Australia, many people may not have heard about 12 to 13 islands, the South Pacific area, Micronesian islands, the French islands, the Solomon Islands, Marshall Islands, Fiji Islands, Tasmania, New Guinea, Papua. There are so many islands where so much of spiritual wisdom is there. How to bring all the spiritual wisdom into mainstream? We need to bring all this spiritual wisdom into mainstream. The World Parliament on Spirituality is one such experiment, one such effort, a huge, humongous effort of bringing all this spiritual wisdom, the ancient spiritual wisdom, through first people of Australia, the first people of New Zealand, etc. Different islands are there. Similarly, all the wisdom of indigenous traditional schools of thought across Africa, across South America. And language is a big problem in South America. You know, half of the continent is Brazil, which speaks Portuguese. The rest of South America, almost 20 plus countries speak of Spanish. So how to communicate with them? all the people who are speaking in different languages, Portuguese, Spanish. Many African countries do not speak English. They speak in French. They speak in Afrikaans languages. They speak so many varieties of African dialects. But still, irrespective of any barriers of language, culture, creed, color, religion, we are bringing the spiritual bits and pieces of wisdom everywhere, inviting all the people into this beautiful platform called as World Parliament on Spirituality. And I request all the listeners, whoever they are across the world, please join, please participate. How do you participate? How your participation is very important. It is not in just knowledge sharing platform, though you will be exposed to different types of knowledge from different types of people. Still, your participation is very much required. Your participation is not about passive registration and listening to them. Your participation in terms of involvement, your personal involvement, your personal meditation, your collective energy of your own circle, your domain adds to this collective movement. We have also given a call to all the people who think they are spiritual and who want to be in the spiritual path, who want to awaken themselves from their place. We have given a call on 21st December, wherever you are, please meditate for 1 hour between 5 p.m. to 6 p.m. And this is our clarion call to the world, inviting 100 million people to meditate wherever they are. We experimented this in 2012 by way of giving a call of people joining in the strength of 10 million people to join on 21st December. We thought it only 1 million or less than 1 million might join. To our surprise, 42 million people signed up for First World Parliament on Spirituality. And this time, after 8 years, we have given a call for 100 million people, wherever they are, please meditate. The collective energy of these 100 million people, how it could be. Very, very powerful. This powerful energy has to engulf the whole world, encompass the whole world. This collective energy has to take the whole world into its bosom, so that people who are not awakened, less awakened, yet to be awakened, they all will wake up. The collective energies are very, very strong. So wherever they are, meditation method and meditation is different. Meditation method is what you do. Meditation is what happens with what you do. So meditation will definitely happen for those people who are disturbed, who are in unrest, who are having less peace, who are in disharmony. They all will become more peaceful, and your participation is very, very, very important. Don't think that, what if I don't join this event? Don't think like that. Wherever you are, please join. We have our website, theworldunited.org, theworldunited.org. It contains all the details of the speakers, their bios, the event schedule, what they are going to speak, how event is planned and scheduled, the dates of the events. And this event is completely a virtual platform. On this virtual platform, at the comfort of your house, at the comfort of your office, at the comfort of your place where you are living or staying, wherever you are. So please open your mobile or laptop and watch this program and be a part of it. So your participation is very, very vital for upbringing the global peace and harmony. So in World Parliament on Spirituality, the topics are grossly divided into two. One is pure spirituality, which talks about inner awakening, consciousness, unity, enlightenment, and everything related to human consciousness and enlightenment in the form of experience of meditation, in the form of Kundalini, in the form of centering of consciousness, in the form of chakras, in the form of energy bodies, in the form of aliens, in the form of channeling, in the form of dolphin whisperers are coming. Some group of oceanographers are coming. They are going to talk of townships existing under the oceans. People are coming who are talking to dolphins. People are coming who are talking to trees. How the plant consciousness, animal consciousness are teaching the human beings to wake up. So different types of wisdom is going to be presented under the theme of pure spirituality. Each day is divided into 4 tracks. One track is completely dedicated for pure spirituality because subject is too vast and wide. And the 3 tracks on each day will be on 3 different applied spiritual aspects. So it will be like this: spirituality for health, spirituality for education, spirituality for child development and well-being, spirituality for youth empowerment, spirituality for women empowerment, spirituality for disability management, spirituality for business management, spirituality and science and technology, spirituality interfaith unity, spirituality media, spirituality and yoga. So all these types of applied aspects, the spiritual wisdom applied to social reality will be showcased, and you will learn so many things which is not possible otherwise. It is going to be the real global encyclopedia of spiritual wisdom. That much I can assure. So I welcome all of you to drench yourself in this beautiful collective energy this world is going to be encompassed through this World Parliament on Spirituality. So if there are any questions or anything, you can ask me. And the participation is by registration through the website, theworldunited.org. You please visit the website, click on the event which you like, Australia or Europe or Africa or Asia, and it is going to be very easy. And please look for details on this website, and everything will be going to be very, very good, excellent, and it will be a very great experience for all of you. This much I can say. So I will sign up. I will sign off from this talk today. Thank you very much. We'll meet again very soon. Thank you.